Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, I want to dive into an unboxing here, and I want to take a look at all of the contents within this DJI mic setup here. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will also leave my Amazon affiliate links for you in the description below to the gear that is featured within this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. Over my time of content creating for you all, I've had a lot of issues with audio, so I'm hoping that these can resolve all issues and give you all a better experience. These right here are the DJI microphones. As you can see, we get two wireless microphones with the receiver and a charging case. For this video, we will be unboxing all of the contents and taking a close-up look at everything, and then I'll go ahead and give you all my in-depth review in another video here. So this is the front of the box. Allow me to show you the packaging up close, so that way you can know what to expect on your end. This is the side here. This is the back. Feel free to pause and read all of the details on your end at your own pace. Now I know it says compatible with iPhone, however, in the description it did claim that these are compatible with Android, iPhone, iPad, and as well as higher end cameras like my Nikon Z50 for example. So this is compatible with multiple devices, which is one of the main reasons why I chose this specific setup right here. On top of that, I chose this specific setup for the quality. That is the box all the way around. Right here on this side is some more details here, giving us information about the transmitter and the receiver. As you can see, right under here is my serial number and that sort of information there. That is the entire box. Let's take a look at what's inside. I'm going to start by removing the plastic here. So we got the plastic and seal open. Let's take a look at the contents here. So right here, it's letting us know all of the contents that come within the box. We get the charging case, the receiver, transmitter ×2. We get a carrying pouch. It says a hot shoe adapter, windscreen ×2. We get a mobile phone adapter, another adapter. So this one's a Lightning. This one's a Type-C. We get a camera audio cable. We get an instruction manual and 2 clip magnets, as well as a charging cable. So that is a lot that comes within the box. Let's take a close-up look here, and we'll make sure that everything is included here. I'm going to assume this is the entire setup. This is, and it does have a little bit of weight to it, so I'm assuming it has the receivers and transmitters and everything in there. That's a little slip there. And this is the case up close here. Let me remove this from the back. So this is the charging case. You can see that's where we charge it from. Here is a side view of it, a front view. Here is an under view, and this is the top right here. Opening the case is very simple. You can see these lights do turn on. And we have activity already within the setup. So these are the transmitters and these are the receivers. These are basically the microphones, and this is where the data is going to be sent to. This is going to be plugged into any camera of our choice, from Android, iPhone, or a higher end camera like a Nikon. But that's everything that is included within this area right here, within the charging case. We will go ahead and get more into this within another video. Just kind of want to show you all of the contents and everything close up. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here at all of these components individually here. So this right here is one of the transmitters. This is the top right here. And this is the side. We have a couple of buttons. Here is the microphone. I'm not sure if these are the magnets right here. Yes, these are the magnets. You can see they're pretty strong as well. So they're going to be easy to put onto anything, or clip onto anything really. And this side we have the power and the charging cable there, or the charging port. And that's everything, or that's the microphone transmitter close up here. So that right there is one of the receivers, and the other receiver is going to be identical. They are the exact same thing. Both have the magnets, they both have the clips, they both have the charging inputs there. They have the power switch, and same buttons on this side, record, and I'm not sure what that is, but it's there too on both. Microphones and another port there. very tiny and compact. You can see in comparison to my hand size, these are really small, really tiny microphones. And you can see at the bottom here, this is where they charge within the case. So we would put these face down and they would begin charging. That's fairly straightforward. You can see the grooves in the case kind of guide us to let us know where the clips face. You would just simply place them in like so, and they begin charging, and it just closes like so. I'm actually gonna want to put that in there, just like that. And let's take a look at this right here. So this is another piece of this setup that we're going to be using. This is the front right here. As you can see, it is touch screen. So language, English, and then 129.24. So you can just kind of see we would go through the day and time here by tapping the screen and selecting the correct parameters. This is the receiver right here. Input, power there. Here is the bottom, side, and the back end here. Same concept applies. You would just simply, this area goes down right here, and then you would place that in like so, and it's just that easy really. And then over here we have two adapters, as you can see. So we have the type C, and then we have the lightning port, and then on this back end right here we have the connectors here that are going to connect. So basically how I'm assuming it's going to work is we would just simply slide it in like so, and then we would connect this to whatever camera we are going to be using and repeat that with an iPhone. And then to take it out, you would essentially repeat that in reverse, pop it out, just be patient with it so we don't damage anything, and then we're good to go. So you can even see the arrows guiding us right here. It's going to go that way like so. So that's fantastic there. And then these simply have grooves to guide you on their position, which way to place them in. So it's really next to impossible to put this in incorrectly. Just got to take our time with it. And then here is, I'm assuming, some sort of clip that's included as well. I'm not entirely sure what this is for at the moment. So if anyone knows what this is for, drop it in the comment section down below. But that's there as well. And that is the whole setup within the case here. Full 360. If I want to charge it all up, I can charge it from here and charge the entire unit together, and charge the case as well, so that way the case keeps everything charged while I'm on the go. So from here, let's take a look at the box and see what else is included. So everything looks to be within this pouch right here. This is the carrying pouch. It's actually of a pretty good material. It doesn't seem really cheap at all. It actually seems like a good material to hold this sort of setup in. It's marked with the DJI brand right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the contents here. I'm not sure if this is a part of the bag. It looks as though this little separator is a part of the bag, which is actually really cool. One side can have our manuals and the other side can have the camera and all of its accessories, which I think is awesome. So let me go ahead and remove everything so that way we can see all of the contents. That appears to be everything within the bag. This is the bag empty here. Now, everything that we get, we have a windscreen right here. These are the windscreens, and you can see they're kind of like press-on buttons. We would just simply pop these onto the microphones with some sort of like maybe press and turn to lock it in. But these are the windscreens right here. They look like little creatures. We have the cable there. We have the charging cable, and then we have a user manual here with what looks to be some sort of stickers or something to this extent. Safety guidelines, a quick start guide. And that's everything that comes within this bag right here. A quick overview on everything that was included. As you can see, we have the charging case, which is this right here. We have the receiver, which is going to be this right here. We have transmitters ×2, which are these. We have the carrying pouch, which is this. We have the hot shoe adapter, which is this right here. We also have the windscreen ×2, which are these right here. And then we have the mobile phone adapter as well as the mobile phone Type-C and Lightning. Those are right there. And then we have a camera audio cable, which is going to be right here. And then we have the instruction manual, which is right here. We have 2 magnet clips, which are 1 and 2. And then we also have a charging cable, which is right here. All of the contents are included, and at first impressions, at first glance of taking a look at everything looks well built. Nothing seems cheap or flimsy or anything like that. I do hope that I'm going to get some great results from the reviews that I've seen and other people's experience on these exact setup. Mostly everyone loved it. I didn't really come across any negative reviews in terms of audio quality, so I'm hoping to up my quality for you all to provide better videos, and this is how I am going to do that. You can see there's 4 dots here, so I can put this charging case to charge a little bit more. Everything is charging there. At first impressions, this seems like a well-rounded, solid setup. I am going to be doing an in-depth review so that way I can get some time using this and then bring you all a full in-depth review, relaying my opinions and everything that I experienced with this microphone setup. That'll be it to conclude this unboxing. Should you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I'm also going to leave my Amazon affiliate links for you in the description below and in a pinned comment to the gear that was featured in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I will be bringing more videos and a full in-depth review on this setup for you all. I do also have social medias under Daniel Yuck. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under the same name. I would appreciate the support over there as well. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.